Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where I can find the two belly button piercings that they have on Dress to Impress. I think they only have two now. So you're just going to walk to this area here. And one of the belly button piercings is right here. It's this heart-shaped one, as you can see. You can also add the where is it? Is it not? Okay. Can also add this. I usually add this with belly button piercings. There's that one. There's also one here, which I just, not really recently, but it's here. It's like on the other earring and necklace set. And I think that is all of the belly button piercings that they have. There's also like a belly belt, I guess, in the VIP section, which is this one, the star-shaped one. But that's pretty much it, really. There's no more piercings here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.